Okay, students, last class we discussed to exercise 1.3 up to first main. So today we'll go for a second main. So give a rough estimate by rounding of 100 and as also rounding of 10. So there are 4 questions. I selected only 2 questions. Rest of the questions try yourself. So what is the first question? 439 plus 334 plus 4317. Okay. So here they mention both rounding of 100 and rounding of 10. So rounding of 100, 439. So how to round it up this time? So 39, take a 2 digits, 39. So it is less than 50. If it is less than 50, so I will write, if it is less than 50, go for 0. If it is more than 50, go for 100 section. So it is 400. So next, for 334. So 334, it is also less than 50. So go for, it is 300. So next, 4317. Okay, so it is also less than 50. 17 is a less than 50. It is 4300 only. So between which sign is there? Plus is there. So just add up all the numbers. 0, 0. So 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 1 carry 5000. So estimated calculator how much? So calculated by 5000. Okay. So this is what rounding of 100. So similarly they mention rounding of 10. How to calculate? So rounding of 10. So here 439 rounded up to. So take only single digit. If it is more than 5, so go for next 10. If it is less than 5, comes back to 0. So 439 is greater than 5. So it will come to 440. Next 334. So 334 here 4. It is less than 5. So it will 330 only. Next 4317. So rounded to 10th digit 7. It is a more than 5. So it becomes 4300. So 7 next number what? 10. So it becomes 20. Okay. C 0. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 2 9. 1 carry. Sorry no. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 3 10. 5090 it is 5000. See, this is the difference between rounding up 100 and rounding up the 10. Okay, so same way like that here one more question is there. 1,08,734 and 47,599. So first I will go for rounding of 100. So 1,08,734 rounded up 100 means what? Take a 34, 2 digits. So it is less than 50. It will come 1,08,700 only. So next 47,599. So 99 it is more than 50. So it will come 47,600 only. So between which sign is there? Subtraction is there. Go for subtraction. 0 0 0 0 7 minus 6 1. So next 8 minus 7 1. So take a carry, it becomes 10 minus 4 6. So 61,100. This is what rounding of 100. So similarly when it is rounding of tens, what will happen? Answer. So 1,08,734. 1,08,000. So take only single digit. So 4 is less than 5. So it becomes 1,08,730 only. So next, what is that next? 47,599. So when it is rounded up 47,000. So 9 next number was 10. 59 next. So it is 600 only. 6 0 3. Sorry, it's a subtraction. 7 minus 6 1. 8 minus 7 1. So 10 minus 4. 61,100. Here 130. That is the slight difference between here and here. Okay. Okay students, last main is what? Estimate the following products using the general rule. Some of the students asking what do you mean by general rule? General rule is nothing but so better to take which one? Rounding of 10 or rounding of 100. So I will use the general rule, how it is possible. So I will take this one. So 578, how to convert, which one? Rounding up to what? I will rounding up to, so what? Tens place. Tens place means take a 2 digit. 78, it is more than 50, then so it becomes, it is 500 is there. So next number what? 600 will come. Next 161. 61 is also more than 50. So we will take what is that? 200. So between which sign is there? Multiplication. So how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. Put up 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiply these two only. 6 2s how much? 12. So the answer is 1,20,000. So general rule means what? Once if you take tens, so take both values only, tens rounding of 10. Once if you take 100, take both value 100 only. So I will take one more question. C. So 1291 into 592. Okay. So here also I will take tens. Better to take tens. 1291. So general means tens. 91 it is more than 50. So 1 to next number 1300. So 592. It is also more than 50. So more than 50 means it is 600. Okay. So how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 13 6 are. So tables are compulsory. You should buy it up to 20. So 13 6 are 78. So 7,80,000. Like that, solve the remaining yourself. Okay, students. So finally the chapter is finished. What is our first chapter? Knowing our numbers. So what are the concept we discuss in this chapter? First concept is compare. First definitions. Okay, after the definition, comparison. So compare Indian system and international system. Next, by solving word problems 1.2 and rounding up the numbers. So from all the things, so today on the last concept, I will give one activity for you. So what is this activity? Again this one you will do in rough only. Okay, what is the activity? So just by searching in Google or anywhere, so try to get write the values of 1 to 100. 1 to 100 write in Roman letters. Roman letters. What do you mean by Roman letters? So just I will give clarity. So this is the activity 1 to 100. Practice yourself. So just Roman means, for example, 1. This is a 2, and this is a 3. This is a 4th, and this is a 5th. Like that, 6th, 7th. So these are what? Roman letters. 8, and this is a 9th, and this is a 10th. So like that you should write how much? From 1 to 100. This is the small activity I will given for from the base of first chapter. So thank you for. Okay students, finally we completed the first chapter. What is that? Knowing our numbers. So I will move to next topic, what? Whole numbers. Already in first class only I given the information about whole numbers. So first class only, first chapter, first class only I discussed what is the definition of a natural number, whole number, integers. Okay, what do you mean by natural numbers? The numbers begins from 1 are called natural numbers. What do you mean by whole number? The numbers begins from 0 are called whole numbers. What do you mean by integers? The combination or set of the combination or the set of the numbers including negative natural numbers, positive natural numbers and 0. So once again I recall the definitions of whole number. So here before going to whole number, once again, so n is indicated by natural numbers. The numbers which start from 1 are called what? So natural numbers. The numbers start from 1 are called natural numbers. So natural numbers are countless. Natural numbers are countless means we cannot count. Countless, infinity. One more similar word, infinity, and we can't reach the destination. Okay. So whole number. What do you mean by whole number? Indicated by the letter capital W. So what does it mean by whole number? The numbers start from 1 are called natural number. The numbers start from 0 are called whole numbers. Here whole numbers are also countless. Okay, so just I will ask one simple question. Which is the smallest natural number? Of course, greatest means the largest natural number. We don't know because it is a countless. Okay, so but we can identify which is the least or smallest natural number. Smallest natural number. What is the smallest natural number? Can anybody see? It start from J1. If it start from 1, this is the smallest or least natural number. The smallest natural number is how much? 1 itself. The same way like that, the smallest whole number is what? 0 itself. Smallest whole number is what? The smallest whole number is 0. Okay. So and also we discussed integers. What it mean by integers represented by letter I or Z. Okay. So it is the combination of, this is what? Flower bracket. Okay. This bracket is called flower bracket. So it is the combination of, it is also countless here and here, both side countless. It is a combination of negative natural numbers 0 and positive natural numbers are called integers. Okay, so after we got all the three definition, so I will write two words. What are those two words? First one, successor. Successor or succeeding digit, succeeding term. So one more is predecessor. Predecessor. So what do you mean by successor? Successor is nothing but just I will write one example. I will give one example. What is that example? So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So here I will take one number 8. Round it. So this next number 9 is called succeeding number. What is that? Succeeding number. 9 is called, next coming numbers we called 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 are called succeeding terms and the next numbers. So here 7 is called preceding term. Preceding term. So best example for you. So there are 3 peoples. How many peoples? 3 peoples moving on a path, straight path like that. Okay, 3 peoples moving on a straight path. This person name X, this person name Y, and this person name Z. Okay, so here what is the X succeeding person? X succeeding person, no one is there. X succeeding person, no. Okay, what is the Y succeeding person? Y succeeding person is what? X. Y succeed, for example, they are moving like that. Y succeeding person X. Y preceding person is what? Y Z. Y preceding person is what? Z. Succeeding means we go for move like that forward. Preceding means you come for backward. Forward and backward similar words. Succeeding andre forward munde hogodu. So forward. Preceding term means come backward. So here I will take one more example. Here, what is the succeeding number of 0? Succeeding number of 0 is what? 1. What is the preceding number of 0? It is -1. This is S means succeeding and this is P means preceding term. Okay. So I hope you understood the topic. What do you mean by natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and these two are very very important. Successor and go moves forward. Next numbers. Predecessor means back numbers, forward, backward direction and forward direction. So our next topic is operations on the number line. So first concept we discussed what you mean by natural number, whole number, integers, and smallest natural number is 1. Smallest whole number is 0. And integers, it is a combination of or set of negative natural numbers 0 and positive natural. And one very very important, succeeding means next numbers, preceding means previous numbers. Succeeding one more similar word, forward, preceding one more similar word, backward. Okay, so now I'll go for operations on the number line. Okay, so what do you mean by operation number line? So there are 4 mathematical operations are there. How many mathematical operations? 4 mathematical operations. What is the first one? Plus, minus, into, division. These are called basic mathematical operations. Okay, so just I'll take some examples. Example 1, what is that? So 3 plus 5 equals to how much? So 3 plus 5, 8. How to show on the number line? So very simple. First you draw a number line. Okay, so mark a point 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so what is that? 3 plus 5. So first start from 3. 1, this is 1, 2, 3. So 3. Next, how much? 5. Again start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 plus 5 total how much? So it is completed 8. So like that operations on the number line. So next one more example. So 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4, obviously we know 8 minus 4. For how to show on the number line? First you draw the number line. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So starting how much is there? 8. Go forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So which sign is there? If it is the negative means come back. If it is positive means go forward. So positive is there, just I go forwarded. If it is negative, come backward. Here negative is there, backward. 1, 2, 3, so 4. They ask for 4. So 8 minus 4. Finally you reach what again? So 8 minus 4 is what? 4 itself only. So the last example. So 5 into 2, how much? 5 2s are 10. How to show on the number line? Okay, so here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so how many are there? 5. So go for 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many times are there? 2 times. This is 1 time, 5. Okay, so one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One time. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 into 2 how much? 5 into 2 how much? 10 itself. Okay. So I hope you understood how to operate on the numbers on the number line. Okay. Okay students. So next I will go for directly exercise. Okay.